appreciate you taking time to stop by my channel. Today I'm just going to do a follow-up to a tutorial I did last week, and that was on hand painting these flour sack towels. I did kind of a little test. The paint that I used before we go any further was the Licorice. Oh, I won't be able to find it, but it's the Licorice in the FolkArt Multi-Surface line. Now this is for fabric, so what I did to test it is I pre-washed the towels, then I stenciled on the designs. This design here I heat set with my iron before re-washing it. This one I did not heat set with my iron before washing it. Look at the difference. A lot more fading than what is seen on this one. There is some fading, but this one definitely had a lot more fading. Now for some people that's not a problem, but if you're going to sell these towels, you really need to make sure that the paint you're using is going to work well for the project that you're doing. Personally, because I have done some fabric painting, I am not really happy with this product. I will be honest with you, it's probably okay. Like I said, if you're doing it for yourself and you like the worn look, great. I am, however, going to try a new set of paint, and I will come back with, of course, do a tutorial and then come back with how it worked. This paint does need to be heat set with your iron. This is the Jacquard textile paint, and I'm going to be using orange and black because I'm going to actually do a fall pumpkin-y kind of theme, and you'll just have to stay tuned to that next video when I create this particular design and see what I'm doing. So I will be doing a new tutorial to follow up with how this paint handles. Definitely is going to be heat set with my iron, as that's what it requires. I did hand wash all the towels that I'm going to be using, so those have already been washed and they're ready to go. I just need to iron them and then put the design on, heat set, and wash them and see how it turns out. These are ones that I'm keeping for myself. When I'm creating these to sell, I would be pre-washing the fabric, ironing it, putting the design on and heat setting it, and then shipping it. I won't be washing it again. I don't want to have them so worn out before I get them to somebody before they get the chance to use them themselves. So anyways, I thought I would just pop in with this quick tutorial to show you the end results. I hope you would like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post something new. And please hit that share button underneath the video and share this video with all of your social media followers, friends, family. I would appreciate it because I am trying to grow my channel. Anyways, once again, I appreciate your time. Until the next time, have a good one.